Hey everybody, here is another Fitzcast, I guess you could say, set up by Screencastify. What I'm going to be talking about today is how to track some reading data and having the students be a part of their progress. I know it's kind of hard to know if you're making any progress when you're not charting it, and this is something that we do a lot of at Mapleview. And hopefully, this can help you with tracking some reading, your students, and the goals that you want to achieve. What I'm having my students is do a lot of nonfiction reading from the website Newsella. And what's really nice about that is that they take quizzes um, based on the article they're reading, and then it's always out of 4 points. So here's how you can track it and how you can set up a spreadsheet. So let's just say that we're going to read something about whales. So the title is going to be Whales. After they took the quiz, they got 3 out of 4 correct. And then I have the percent correct. Now, what I'm going to do is put equal sign, and then I'm going to click on cell B2 divided by cell C2 and hit enter, and that's going to be 0.75. Okay, so I know we probably are just like, yeah, it says 0.75, it's not percentage. I can change that later. Let's say I read something else, and we're going to say it's about um, business. Read an article on business. I got 4 out of 4. But what I can do is I can click on cell D2 and I can copy that formula down into cell D3. Let's say we read another article, and this is about soccer. I'm going to say that was a little tougher. I got 2 correct out of 4. And again, I can copy this all the way down as far as I want to. Okay, so I'm going to click on D3, copy this formula, and it shows that I got 50%. Now, I want to see how I'm doing overall. Well, I'm going to go down to my total column for correct. I'm going to put an equal sign. I'm going to type in sum, and it's going to add up all of my correct column. So I click here, and I'm going to click and drag all the way down, put a parentheses behind it, and I have 9 total correct. Now I'm going to go into my C column and do the same thing. I believe I can just click over and drag, and here it's done the same thing. Okay, now I am going to see what my total percentage is. So I can go equals, and I'm going to click on B12 divided by C12, and that's going to be my total percent. So you can see I'm at a total of 75%. Now when I add in more, this should automatically change. Let's say my next one is going to be on Africa. We're reading an article about lions in Africa. Let's say I get 4 out of 4. Everything stays the same. I can copy this down, and here I'm at 80%. Okay, so again, here's just a way for your students to track their reading. I'm going to call this part 1 because there are some other features that you can do to color code to see how well they're doing visually. You can also graph these as well. So this is just a start. I'm having all of my students do this in class, and they'll be able to keep track of their progress. They could also share it with parents. They could share it with other teachers, and they can kind of keep record of what they are doing from week to week, month to month, and even year to year. So again, this is another Fitzcast on how to track some reading data. I'd be happy to help you out with any of this. Good luck, and I would look forward to talk tech with you. Thank you.